Giving away one of my biggest secrets. But before that, hold up, rib flare check. This right here is a real core workout. So when I first started uploading about rib flare, I did not imagine there were so many of you guys going through the same thing that I was and had the same insecurity. So now that I realize that a lot of you guys are going through the same things, I want to help y'all out. So I've been doing research on this. So with that said, how is this gonna help fix your rib flare? Alright, so first things first, rib flare is a mild case of pectus excavatum. Pectus excavatum is a medical condition that oftentimes requires surgery. So without surgery, a structured workout plan targeting your core and obliques is going to be your best bet at reducing your ribs from flaring. But with that said, it's going to require dedication and hard work because rib flare can be induced from years and years of bad posture, which would then at that point cause muscular imbalances. And so that's what we're trying to fix. So with that said, the purpose of this video, as you're seeing me on the screen doing a boxing workout, boxing I think has tremendously helped me in my rib flare. Simultaneously, I have been doing other exercises, not just boxing, which is a incredible core workout that the first time I did it, I was completely sore from my core from areas which I had not been before. And it was just a total core workout, and I definitely can contribute some of my development with rib flare to it for damn sure. When you're going about your boxing workout, you want to make sure that your core is not relaxed but always engaged. Your core is going to serve as the central platform to transfer the power from your legs all the way to your arms and into your fist. As you're seeing from the clips on the screen, I'm going about my boxing workout, but I'm also focused on engaging my core all throughout. The way I go about doing this is you'll see me throw a lot of hooks, especially power hooks, to really get the rotational aspect and work my serratus and my obliques. Another quick tip that I could give you guys is you'll see me bobbing and weaving, slipping. These are all cues that are causing my core to be more activated and therefore are going to yield better results for what I'm looking for. What this is doing, it's not only sculpting your midsection to look absolutely amazing, but you're building functional and aesthetic abs. This is going to easily transfer over to your strength in the gym, power, and all other exercises. Not to mention, this is also going to help you with other aspects of your life. Just a quick one, your confidence. Once you get good at this and you know you could throw some hands, guys, trust me, you're going to feel a little more confident around other people, or when something happens, especially if you're more of a timid person. If you know you got some hands on you, you know you're loaded, then I mean, you're only bound to feel more confident naturally, I would say. So let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a full boxing workout tailored for rib flare, but this is more of an informational video on the topic. But back to the research I was doing. Flare is induced by the muscular positioning holding on to the ribs. So yeah, if you're not boxing with proper form and using proper hip rotation and fully getting that torque, then it's going to be more of an upper body, shoulder, and arm workout. But if you learn the proper technique and you're throwing a punch correctly, as you should be doing with anything in order for it to be effective, you're going to be working your internal and external obliques. So yeah, guys, not only that, but it's very effective at developing your serratus anterior, which is a muscle that a lot of people do not activate because they're too busy doing crunches, guys. So like, if you look at any boxers, they have a ridiculous core. They have like a real aesthetic. Like these guys are at a whole nother level. Boxing is a real workout. You have to be a warrior, especially if you're like an actual boxer. It's like you're going to war, so you have to be in the best shape. Serratus anterior is basically gonna tie your whole core in together, and it's what's gonna make you look amazing, and it's definitely gonna help with your rib flare because, like I said, guys, you're working on that rotational aspect from each side of your body, and that's exactly what you want to be targeting. Like I said, this will all tie back into correcting the muscular positioning holding onto the ribs to help you correct your rib flare. If you want to see a full boxing workout tailored to rib flare, if you want to learn from me and want me to show you all my secrets, drop a like on the video and let me know down below. I appreciate you all for watching. So yeah, guys, to say the least, boxing is an amazing workout that I've noticed the results firsthand. But like I said, I have not only been just boxing, so I can't just preach that boxing is the ultimate exercise, but I, without a doubt, can notice the results. There's no research directly tying boxing with rib flare, but there is indirectly, and I've been researching both sides to it, so I could put the pieces of the puzzle together, guys. Due to my knowledge and prior experience with the topic. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys learned something and got something from it. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Boom.